to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the third and final part of the lesson 1, units and measurement in class 11. Okay, so which of the following pairs of physical quantities having same dimension? The question. Okay, நான் ஆப்ஷன் கொடுத்தாங்க. Okay, இத கேட்ட உடனே நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன எழுதலாம்? Physical quantities. அப்ப which are called physical quantities? What is a physical quantity? The quantity which can be measured, and described by the law of physics. The law of physics are called physical quantities. First. Second, the physical quantities are divided into two. Physical quantities are divided into two. One is fundamental quantity and derived quantity. Fundamental quantity and derived quantity. Okay. Fundamental quantity. The quantity which cannot be measured. The quantity which cannot be measured in any other physical quantity. Any other physical quantity are called fundamental quantities. Next, the quantities which can be derived from fundamental quantities. Which can be derived from fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. Which can be derived from fundamental quantities. Which are all the quantities comes under? Which are all the quantities comes under physical fundamental quantities? Length, mass, time. Okay, luminous intensity. Amount of substance. Temperature. Current. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these 7 are fundamental quantities. The quantities which can be derived from fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. Okay, the first one, area. Area. Which area? Area of square. Area of a rectangle. Area of circle. Second one, volume. Volume of cube. Volume of cuboid. Volume of cylinder. Volume of sphere. Volume of cone. Like that it goes. Okay. Third, velocity. Next, density. Pressure. Like that it goes. Okay. So, except these seven, all quantities comes under derived quantities. Okay. Next, the unit of length. The unit of length is meter. The unit of length is meter. Unit of mass is kilogram. Unit of time is second. Luminous intensity, candela. The amount of substance, mole. Temperature, Kelvin. Current, ampere. So these are the units. Then these units are called fundamental units. Now go there. Area of square, a square. Then its unit is a meter square. Area of rectangle, L into B. So once again the unit meter square. Area of circle, pi r square. Once again meter square. The unit of area is meter square. Next, cube. So volume of cube, a cube is a meter cube. Cuboid, volume of cuboid, LBH. So once again meter cube. Then velocity, volume of cylinder. So pi r squared h, once again meter cube. So the unit of volume meter cube. So more than one time we are using the fundamental quantities, so it comes under derived quantity. Velocity. So what is the formula for velocity? Rate of change of displacement. So displacement by time. So what is the unit of displacement? Meter. Time, second. So meter by second is the unit of velocity. Like that it goes. Okay. So fundamental quantity or unit. So fundamental unit. Here derived quantity, and these units are called derived units. Sir, if we have physical quantities, right? Okay. In the word dimension. How we can denote these physical quantities under dimension? So when you put a bracket like this, then this becomes dimensional quantity. So the dimensional formula for length. L. Dimensional formula for mass. Capital M. Dimensional formula for time. So T. So like that it goes. Okay. This is sip meter square. So unit of meter. So fundamental quantity for dimension. L. L square. L square. L cube. So these are the dimensional formula for area, volume, like that. Okay. So hope that you have some idea about physical quantity, fundamental quantity, derived quantity, fundamental unit, derived unit. Next is fundamental quantity. That's dimensional formula. Derived quantity or dimensional formula. Okay. If you have doubt, so question right? Okay. And first question which are having same dimension. They are giving two. In the two எது நமக்கு same இருக்கும் by using these things. This is the formula for force. F equal to ma. Here what is M? M is the mass. What is the dimensional formula for mass? Capital M. Second one, acceleration. What is the formula to find the acceleration? Rate of change of velocity. So we have to know about what is velocity. So velocity equal to displacement by time. Okay. The dimensional formula for displacement is L. Dimensional formula for time is T. The power plus 1 goes to the numerator as minus 1. So LT power minus 1. So the dimensional formula for velocity is LT power minus 1. Now we are getting into acceleration. Acceleration formula velocity. Velocity dimensional formula LT power minus 1 divided by time T. So once again the plus 1 goes to the numerator as minus 1. So LT power minus 2. Okay. So now we know the dimensional formula for mass, dimensional formula for acceleration. Now we can combine the both. So F equal to M. So capital M. Then A. So LT power minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula for force. Then go to power. So power. So what is the formula for power? Rate of doing work done or rate of doing work. So how we can calculate work done? So work done is defined as the product of force and displacement. So now what very beauty irukku. Enna beauty? Force ku nam already kandupidichachu. Appa M L T power minus 2 into displacement into displacement. Okay. அப்ப displacement என்ன சொல்லலாம்? L. அப்ப L into L, L squared. So m L squared t power minus 2. So now you can go for power. So power equal to work done. So work done m L squared t power minus 2 divided by time. So t. The plus 1 goes to the numerator as minus 1. So m L squared t power minus 3. अब actually first option வருமான்னு பாரு force m L t power minus 2. Okay, m L square t power minus 3. அப்ப which are having same dimension அப்பனா automatically first option இல்ல. Right? Okay. Then go to the second option. Torque. So what is the formula for torque? So torque equal to one of the force into perpendicular distance between them. Torque is defined as the product of one of the force into perpendicular distance. So by easily we can calculate force. So already we calculated force m L t power minus 2. So m L t power minus 2 into force into perpendicular displacement. So L. So L into L square. So m L square t power minus 2 is the torque. M L square. இப்போ நமக்கு ஆக்சுவலா என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? டார்க் அண்ட் எனர்ஜி. அப்ப இது டார்க் இது எனர்ஜி இல்லையா? இது எனர்ஜி. Okay, so m L square t power minus 2, m L square t power minus 2. So these two are having same dimensional formula. So இப்போதைக்கு நமக்கு எது ஆன்சர் வர மாதிரி இருக்கு? B. Okay, so we can go for torque and power. Okay, so what is the formula for torque? M L square t power minus 2. Power m L square t power minus 3. These three. So different. So option C இல்ல. Next option D. Force and torque. Okay, so இது நமக்கு force m L t power minus 2. இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா m L square. So இங்க வரல. So இது ஆப்ஷன். அப்ப ஆட்டோமேட்டிக் ஆப்ஷன் இதுதான். ஓகேவா? சோ இப்போ இது மாதிரி என்ன பண்ணுவான்? வேற physical quantities கொடுத்து கால்குலேட் பண்ணுங்க அப்படிவாங்க. ஓகே. So next one, dimensional formula for Boltzmann's constant அப்படினுச்சு. அப்ப Boltzmann constant இருக்குமாயா அப்படினா the constants once again divided into two. One is dimensional constant, another one dimensionless constant. Dimensionless constant. Okay. அப்ப இந்த கான்ஸ்டன்ட் அப்படிங்கறத நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிரலாம்? ரெண்டா பிரிச்சலாம். ஒன்னு டைமென்ஷனல், இன்னொன்னு டைமென்ஷன்லெஸ். அப்ப what are all the constants comes under dimensional constant. அப்படினா Boltzmann's constant, Planck's constant, Faraday's constant. Next gravitational constant. Boltzmann constant, Planck's constant, Faraday's constant, then gravitational constant. Okay, so these are all the constants comes under dimensional constant. But dimensionless constant அப்படினா first all the numbers are dimensionless constant. Okay, next என்ன சொல்லலாம்? Pi. So pi is also a dimensionless constant. இப்போ அவங்களே சொல்லிட்டாங்க Boltzmann's constant அப்படி சொல்லியாச்சு. அப்ப Boltzmann's constant அப்படிங்கிறது எங்க வந்தது? dimensional constant. ஓகே, அப்ப ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா none அப்படிங்கிற ஆப்ஷன் இல்ல. ரைட், ஓகே. அப்ப Boltzmann கண்டுபிடிக்கிற கான்ஸ்டன்ட் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு என்னமா ஃபார்முலா? Energy by temperature. அப்ப energy அப்படினா என்னது? Force into displacement by temperature. So once again force. அப்ப force என்ன சொல்லலாம்? Mass into acceleration. அப்ப mass m, acceleration L t power minus 2 into displacement L, temperature. Okay, அப்ப Boltzmann's constant என்ன சொல்றீங்க? Force m L t power minus 2 into என்ன சொல்லலாம்? Displacement L. divided by temperature. இப்போ unit of temperature Kelvin, அதுக்கு dimensional formula என்னதான் K தான். இப்போ L into L, L square. So here L square T power minus 2. The power plus 1 goes to the numerator as minus 1. So M L square T power minus 2 K power minus 1. எங்கம்மா இருக்கு அப்படினா option C. Option C. So that is the correct answer. இப்போ இது ஆன்சர் ஆயிடுச்சு. சரி சரி, இது போக இன்னும் ஒரு மூணு கான்ஸ்டன்ட் சொன்னீங்களே சார், அந்த கான்ஸ்டன்ட் எப்படிமா கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம் அப்படினா செகண்ட் கிராவிடேஷனல் கான்ஸ்டன்ட். கிராவிடேஷனல் கான்ஸ்டன்ட். ஓகே, அப்ப கிராவிடேஷனல் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் அப்படி என்ன போலாம்னா the force equal to G m m by r square. That is universal law of gravitation. So keep the gravitational constant in the same side and keep all other terms in the same side. F. The division r square comes to this side as multiplication. The multiplication m comes to this side as division. Okay. இப்ப மறுபடியும் force வந்துச்சு. Force எப்படி கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு? என்னது? m l t power minus 2. So m l t power minus 2 into r squared. That is distance squared. So l squared. Here mass m. It's also mass m. So m getting cancelled. So the plus 1 goes to the numerator as minus 1. So m power minus 1. L squared into L. So it becomes L cube. Here t power minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula for gravitational constant. Like that we can go for Faraday's constant or Planck's constant. Like that we can go. The velocity of a particle V at an instant t is given by V equal to AT plus BT squared. Then the dimension of B is okay. இப்போ ஆக்சுவலா இத பார்த்தோம் எனக்கு என்ன இப்ப ஞாபகம் வருது டக்குன்னு அப்படினா நமக்கு தெரியும் the dimensional formula or dimensional அப்படி சொன்னாவே அதோட யூஸ் என்னையா அப்படினா it is used to check or verify the equation. First actually அதான் first one. அப்ப இத வச்சு நம்ம என்ன சொல்லலாம்? First equation of motion V equal to U plus AT. V equal to U plus AT. So what is V? V is the final velocity, that is Lt power minus 1. U is the initial velocity, that is Lt power minus 1. A is the acceleration, then Lt power minus 2. Time apna t. Just you can substitute that. If B apna solla Lt power minus 1 equal to U Lt power minus 1 plus A Lt power minus 2 into t. The power plus 1 minus 2 change ஆச்சுனா என்ன சொல்லிடலாம் நம்ம Lt power minus 1 plus Lt power minus 1. So LHS are equal to RHS. So it's dimensionally correct. Okay sir, இது ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு. We can go to the second equation. அப்படினா S equal to UT plus half AT square. அப்ப the dimension of S அப்ப என்ன சொல்லலாம்? L equal to U initial velocity Lt power minus 1 into time t. Okay, plus now you can take the half. ஏன் half எடுக்கலாம் அப்படினா it is dimensionless constant அப்படினு சொல்லிடலாம். It's a number. அப்ப இதுதான் limitation of dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis ஓட limitation என்னது? இந்த மாதிரி 1/2 போட்டாலும் 2 போட்டாலும் 5 போட்டாலும் 1 lakh போட்டாலும் it gives the dimensional correctness of the equation. But இங்க half அப்படிங்கிறது என்னது? Dimensionless, we can leave it. Okay, இங்க A, so L t power minus 2 into t square t power 2. இப்ப t power minus 1 t square t power 1. So L equal to L plus L. Once again it is dimensionally correct. So by using this logic I am going to solve this one. Okay, இப்போ actually நமக்கு என்ன ஃபார்முலா இருக்கு அப்படினா B equal to AT plus BT square. Velocity Lt power minus 1. A acceleration Lt power minus 1. Lt power minus 1 into t. So t plus B. So what is B? That only we are going to calculate into t square. So the plus value comes to this side as minus 1. That's why power plus 1. The power plus 1 minus 1. Sorry, acceleration என்ன சொல்லிடலாம் lt power minus 2. Sorry. அப்போ ஒரு ஸ்டெப் போடுறோம். அப்ப lt power minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 plus bt square. The plus value comes to this side as minus. அப்ப என்ன ஆகும் lt power minus 1 minus lt power minus 1 equal to b into t square. Now the t square comes to this side as division. அப்ப என்ன சொல்லலாம் lt power minus 1 minus lt power minus 1 divided by t square equal to b. Now the t square is common for first term and second term. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணலாம் lt power minus 1 by t square. இங்க போறீங்கன்னா lt power minus 1 by t square equal to b. So the power plus 1 plus 2 goes to the numerator as minus 2. அப்ப lt power minus 3 minus lt power minus 3 equal to b. அப்ப இங்க ஆப்ஷன் இருக்குன்னு பாருங்க lt power minus 3. So this is options. அது ஆன்சர் எடுத்தா இப்போ நம்ம டக்குனு என்ன நினைக்க கூடாது lt power minus 3 minus lt power minus 3 so it becomes 0 அப்படி பேர் கூடாது ஏங்க இங்க வா lt power minus 1 lt power minus 1 2 lt power minus 1 எழுதல அப்படி இருந்தாலும் lt power minus 1 that is velocity. அதே மாதிரி இங்க b key lt power minus 3 lt power minus 3 so option D is correct. Okay, so next one is rounding off. Okay, so how we can round off the number? Okay, first நமக்கு தெரிய வேண்டியது என்ன அப்படினா we never round off the whole number. முன்னாடி இருக்கிற whole number நம்மளால என்ன பண்ண முடியாது round off பண்ண முடியாது. அப்ப நம்ம எதை round off பண்ண முடியும் அப்படினா decimal இருக்கிறத round off பண்ண முடியும். Okay, அதுல first case என்னது 5 and above 5 and below இதான் main matter. இதுல first case பாருங்க the last digit is 2. The 2 ங்கிறது below 5. 2 ங்கிறது below 5. So we can drop the number. So the answer is 7.3. நீங்க next case பாத்தீங்கன்னா the last number is 4. Just drop the 4. ஏமா it's below 5. So your answer is 8.9. Okay. இப்போ third case ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா last number is 6. The 6 is above 5. So we can add 1 to the previous digit. Previous digit oda 1 add panna then your answer is 7.3. So automatically inga vandala. The last digit is 9 is 5 and above 5. So the previous digit is raised by 1. So your answer is 11.9. Okay. Here the last digit is 2 below 5. So we can drop 2. Here the previous number is exactly 5. இப்போதான் ரொம்ப கேர்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கணும் ஏன்யா அப்படினா the previous number is odd 1. 3 is the odd number. So we can add 1. இப்ப பாரு add odd. அப்ப odd odd இருந்தா add. அப்ப odd அப்ப 5 என்ன exactly 5 இருந்தா odd 1. So your answer is 7.4. இப்ப டக்குனு இங்க வாங்க 5 exactly 5. The previous number is 3 odd number. So your answer is 3.4. So once again here the last number is 0. So we can drop it. So the previous number is 5. So exactly 5. The previous number is 3. Once again odd number. So once again 8.4. அப்ப இங்க வாயா the last one is 5 exactly 5. But the previous number is 4 which is a even number. So we can just drop the number. So your answer is 3.4. Okay va? So இதே கேஸ் அப்படி இங்க வாங்க the last number is 0. So just you can drop it. Next digit is 5 exactly 5. அப்ப the previous digit பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2. So 2 is a even number. So you can drop the number. So your answer is 3.2. So இது எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்த்து ஒரே தான் சொன்னீங்கன்னா இங்க வந்துரும் பாரு 9 is above 5. So you can add 1. So first என்னாச்சு நமக்கு 18.16. இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா 6 above 5. இங்க போனீங்கன்னா என்ன சொல்லிடலாம், ஒரு டிஜிட் ரைஸ் பண்ணி என்ன சொல்லலாம் 18.2. 18.2. Okay. So இத வந்து என்னது நமக்கு rounding off. So today we have seen physical quantities, fundamental quantities, derived quantities, and the units and the dimensional formula. Then check the dimensional correctness of the equation. Then dimensional constant, dimensionless constant. Then finally rounding off. So that's all from the first unit, units and measurement. So thanks for watching. We will see in the next video. Okay, bye.